I've been making music for pretty much my whole life in one form or another. But in all those years, one thing that's never really been that interesting to me is making love songs. I've actually never written one, and it's just never something that I've been drawn to. This is pretty annoying, I think, if you are the girlfriend of a musician. So I thought this year, to celebrate Tatum's birthday, I would try for the first time to do that. But I thought I'd try and do it in a way that felt a little more interesting to me. Like many things in life, making music can be translated into a graph. On the y-axis, you have the notes on a keyboard, or just the notes of a scale, and along the x-axis, you have time, chronology, the order in which things fall. And so then when you plot points on this graph that you've created, every point on the graph becomes a note played in order, and then you have a song. And then when you put all of that together, it goes like this. And so I had this idea of what if we could take the data of who Tatum is and turn it into a graph and then turn it into music. And so I asked a bunch of people, as many as I could in the short time I had, to define Tatum in 4 words. And then that graph that we spoke about earlier, I thought, what if we combine time with alphabet? And what if we then combine notes on the keyboard with people? And then all of a sudden, those points on the graph, they become words. They become words that are a reflection of who Tatum is. So I think it's important not to listen to this as a sort of traditional piece of music, because it doesn't really make sense in that context. But instead, maybe to imagine a bright burning star that is Tatum in the middle, and surrounded by that is a constellation of words that are shining and reflecting and bouncing off everything that she is, and imagining a night sky full of these words flickering in the order in which they've been spoken. So this is a song produced by me, but in many meaningful ways it's written by Tatum. The notes are put in order by the person that she is. Yeah, this is what I'm calling the sound from within.
Words to describe Tatum are lively, caring, involved, and ditzy.
My 4 words to describe Tatum would be vibrant, warm, loving, and knuffel.
My 4 words to describe Tatum are caring, supportive, hilarious, and genuine.
Patient, engaged.
so many people have used, so it feels like a little bit cop out almost, but it's just, you're just so kind, and there's just not many words more appropriate than that, so yeah, kind.
Inquisitive, a mensch, hilarious and sharp.
Prachtig, kind, ambitious and strong.
Love, pure, cosmic and gentle.